Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. I have such an exciting video to share with you guys today because I have a new launch from Platinum Perfumes. Could life get any better for perfume lovers, especially who are on budget? Because Platinum Perfume has introduced a new category which is perfume oils. I am so excited to be reviewing 6 perfume oils from Platinum Perfumes. This is their most recent launch and I am very excited for it. So in case you are new to this Platinum Perfume brand and you don't know anything about it, let me share some basic details about it. It's one of the best Indian dupe houses available which creates these designer fragrances at a fraction of price. The 6 ml perfume oils are priced in the range of 200 to 225 depending on the variant that you go for. You can place your order through Instagram or WhatsApp. I will leave all the details in here and description box for you to check out. I am super duper excited to start this video, so let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's start off with the packaging first. These don't come with any external cardboard box. They directly come as bottles and this is how each of the bottle would look like. This is a 6 ml glass bottle where the variant name is present on the sticker here. You can see the juice color here because these are transparent. Black cap which is plastic, and once you open it, this is a rollerball applicator. So that's like the overall packaging. They are not very focused on making your bottle look pretty because that kind of like adds to the price. So the packaging is very basic but very effective because the perfume oil concentration is very heavy. It does not contain any alcohol, and you know, these are potent perfume oils. All of them I have tested and tried on my skin as well as on my clothes. They give massive longevity, massive performance, great sillage, great projection. At a 200 price mark, these are a steal deal, and overall the quality is just fab. I have over 30 to 40 bottles of EDPs from Platinum Perfume. Trust me on this when I say the quality is better than even the Middle Eastern fragrances and even sometimes the designer fragrances, because their perfume oil concentration is quite high. It's around 30 to 40%, which kind of beats all the other brands that are available. So I really vouch for their quality, good customer care service, and they are inexpensive. What else do we need? So that covers all the aspect of pricing and packaging and how the presentation is. Let's begin with the first variant. So the one that I have in my hand is Amore Cafe, and this one is inspired by Mancera's Amore Cafe. That is like one of my favorite scent profiles to put in, especially during colder months. And this does really well in the evening and nighttime. If you want to wear it, consider wearing it in summer season. Now, this perfume oil is super gourmand. Okay, it is sweet. It is a coffee-like. It smells like coffee ice cream. Okay, that's how I want to describe it. It's coffee ice cream. It opens up with a strong note of coffee with some amaretto, then goes into ice cream and speculoos. Now speculoos is sort of a note that resembles a biscuity, creamy, buttery, warm, cozy kind of a fragrance. Literally smells like a Christmas cake with hints of amber and some spices and that creamy, buttery biscuitness going on. So that's ice cream plus this speculoos. And then it has some vanilla, some ambergris and brown sugar. Through and through a gourmand fragrance. This is so gorgeous and literally smells like coffee ice cream. It really layers well with all the coffee fragrances that I have in my collection. And something like this, if you have, this one is from Zemaya and this is Tiramisu Coco. So this is also kind of like a duping situation to Mancera's Amore Cafe. These two layer together, I want to layer it now. So these two layer together, they are bomb.com. Literally, you are going to smell of coffee, vanillic, ice cream throughout the day. So delectable, so edible, so warm and so cozy. Absolutely love this variant. Now, if you're not a very sweet gourmand fragrance lover and you want something fresh and clean girl vibe and something floral, this one is the one to go for. This is Gorgeous Jasmine, which is duping Gucci Flora Gorgeous Jasmine. Now, this is a very clean, white floral heavy, some woody, fresh, citrusy, white floral heavy and woody fragrance. This opens up with some zestiness and a kick of black pepper. So it does have a hint of or a kick of pepper and some spiciness in the opening along with some zesty opening. Then has jasmine sambac, jasmine, some rose and some magnolia, and then it has some woodiness of like sandalwood mixing up with hints of patchouli, which is adding that earthy green nuance in this fragrance, and then to add sweetness, a little bit of benzoin. A very balanced white floral dominating fragrance, has a very nice clean girl vibe to it. In fact, the white shirt that I'm wearing today This is something that goes really well with this kind of a fragrance. It does have a modern touch to it. It does not smell very traditional. I think this will go really well with some special occasions as well, because it has a very delicate feminine feel to it. So this is Gorgeous Jasmine. Only if you love white florals and you need that clean girl vibe to yourself, you would want to go with something like this. I've already said longevity of around 7+ hours, sillage and projection is medium to loud. Now let's talk about some summer gourmand stuff, which is kind of fun, flirty, playful, and also fruity and zesty. We are talking about lemon sugar, and this one is duping Kayali Capri in a bottle lemon sugar 14. Now Kayali dupes is like a forte for Platinum Perfumes. They do the best Kayali dupes in the market, and this is no exception. This is such a sweet, zesty, fruity, musky sort of a fragrance that opens up with lemons and sugar. You can literally feel, जैसे शिकंजी का एक feel आता है ना, refreshing, cooling, and has a very nice summer vibe to it. It's exactly like that. Like a little fruity shikanji is what I'll say. That is that in this perfume and in this bottle. Then has some twist of raspberry that gives in that fruity kick in this fragrance, and has a hint of delicate white florals of freesia, and then it has some vanilla and musk that adds to a sweet powdery touch. It does feel like a lemon candy or a lemon shikanji with some fruity nuances. I love how fresh, how refreshing, how good start of the day this fragrance feels like, and this one layers with fragrances which are duping Dolce & Gabbana's devotion, like that that lemon pound cake or lemon cake situation. Those fragrances, they layer really well with this perfume oil. Next, we are going to talk about some fruity woody fragrance, and this one is Donna Bonin Roma perfume oil. Now this is a fruity, woody, light florally kind of a fragrance. This one opens up with some pink pepper, bergamot, and blackcurrant that gives it a very fruity kick along with some spicy nuances. Then it has jasmine sambac, some jasmine, and jasmine tea. That's the unique note that you'll find here. And it has a very refreshing, a very calming sort of an effect going on because of the jasmine tea. And then it has some sweetness of bourbon vanilla, some cashmere and guac wood, so adding a lot of maturity and woodiness. I love wearing this to office. I just find it to be extremely well with formal wear and semi-formal wear. It's non-offensive and does really well in performance, and this one layers really well with all the other fruity floral fragrances that I have in my collection. So this is a very versatile kind of a fragrance. I would literally say that if I have to pick one from the 6, this is probably sitting at top 2. I really enjoy this one, and this is one of the most versatile fruity florals in my opinion. Next one is from Gucci, and this is Bloom Acqua di Fiori. This is how the variant looks like, and this one is your very kind of like a white floral but with a very green, a very aromatic, a very freshy kind of a nuance to it. It opens up with a lot of leafy accords, which has this kind of that sap, leafy sap effect going on to it. And then it has a lot of white florals in it. Lily of Valley, jasmine, tuberose, freesia, honeysuckle, which kind of adds to that sweetness of the nectar. The nectar that flower has, nectarine, it literally has that kind of a natural nectarine sweetness to it. And then it has some musk and some woody nuances. Now there is no fruity sweetness or freshness or that sweet vanillic nuance in this fragrance. This is like a true clean girl fragrance in my opinion. No, it does not smell soapy, but it does fit into the category of gym fragrances, office fragrances, fresh out of the shower kind of a category, and also best suited to be worn during daytime all year round, especially shines in the summer season. Has a very clean girl vibe to it. If you love these kind of white floral, elegant, classy fragrances, this is the one to go for. Last but not the least, and my top pick from all the perfume oils that I have gotten from Platinum Perfumes is Altair from Parfums de Marly. This is a gorgeous, unisex, sweet, vanillic, warm, spicy fragrance that literally legit feels like a warm hug. This has cinnamon, orange blossom, cardamom, bergamot, bourbon vanilla, and some elamine. Then has praline, musk, ambroxan, guac wood, tonka, and some candied almonds. This is such a warm, such a sweet, such a cozy, such a sweater weather kind of a fragrance, something that goes really well during evening and nighttime. I also find this to be a party banger, like if I'm going for a lunch dinner date or if I'm going to a pub with my friends, I love to wear something like this, because when you are interacting, when you're dancing, when you're enjoying, it creates the most sweet, the most dense, and a very sexy kind of scent bubble around me. And this is a conversation starter. So if I'm going to a pub and I want to meet new people, this is something that I would wear. It kind of is flirty, warm, and sexy in its own way. This is the kind of scent profile just that, it lifts up my mood because it just gives me some confidence. It gives me the level of confidence that I can go and approach someone and talk to a new person without hesitation. It is that bold kind of a fragrance. Again, I definitely want to show you the perfume that it layers well with, and obviously this one is Liquid Brune from French Avenue, and this just layers perfectly with Altair from Platinum Perfumes because both are duping Altair from Parfums de Marly. Oh my gosh. You know what? This is the most comforting scent in my opinion in my 300-400 perfume bottle collection. I never want to run out of this because how a masala chai in the evening, that one sip of that tea gives that comfort and gets you through the day. This is that in a bottle. This is the best way I can explain it, okay? This is the most comforting scent. So for sure, this is my top pick. So out of the 6, if I have to pick top 3, the first one is going to be Altair. I think you have taken that guess already. And then at number 2 is Amor Cafe. Again, that sweet vanilla coffee. And then third is Born in Roma because it's very versatile and literally sits well under layering for all the fruity floral fragrances that I have. So these are my top 3 picks from today's review and from the Platinum Perfume oils. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and it was informative. Trust me, you guys, these are only in the range of 200 to 250. You want to grab these. Like, don't miss out on this opportunity. These are very potent. They work really well. I can apply it directly on my skin and on my pulse points. And, once they settle, they are not budging, okay? So, very beautiful perfume oils. Great quality, great pricing. And these are available at Platinum Perfumes on WhatsApp and as well as on Instagram. So I'm going to leave all the details. I really don't want you guys to miss out on this new release from Platinum Perfumes. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed and liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. Do send in your suggestions and comments in the comments section. What are the variants you want me to try? Let me know, or other ideas related to Platinum Perfumes. If you want me to do a top 10, something like that, do let me know in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. Come and say hi and let's get to know each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.